Hey friends, for the latest puzzle solution, please click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon to be the first puzzle solver.
The puzzle which we're gonna solve in this video is known as the gift tree puzzle. It has Christmas tree, stars, gift boxes, balloons, and we have to find out the final answer by solving this final equation. So friends, let's start. Friends, let's solve this together. I am giving you 30 seconds to solve the problem. Please solve and share your answer in the comment section. So your time starts now. Three, two, one, stop. So friends, hope you all enjoyed solving it. Let's begin to see the correct answer. Here we go. So for solving the equation, I'll first take my first equation. In the first equation, we have 3 Christmas tree with gift boxes and stars on its top, whose sum is equal to 45. On solving this equation, we will get one Christmas tree with 5 layers, star on its top, and a gift box is equal to 45 divided by 3, that is equal to 15. So this is end of our first equation. By the end, we have value of one Christmas tree with gift box and stars, and the Christmas tree has 5 layers. Now moving onwards and solving our second equation. In the second equation, we have got one pair of stars and 2 gift boxes with balloons. And friends, we don't have any of the value for this, so we cannot solve this equation. So I am putting this equation as it is and considering this equation as 2. Now once we'll get the values of these items, we'll put this and solve the equation. Now jumping on to our third equation. In the third equation, we have got 2 pair of stars and one Christmas tree along with star and gift box, and this Christmas tree also has 5 layers, whose sum is equal to 23. From the first equation, we have got our value of Christmas tree with star and gift box, that was equal to 15. Putting that value here and solving the equation, we will get the value of one pair of star. So on solving this equation, we will get one pair of star is equal to 23 minus 15 divided by 2, that is equal to 4. So friends, if one pair of star, that means 2 stars value is equal to 4. So one star value would be 2. So this is end of our third equation. By the end of third equation, we have got values of 2 items, that is one Christmas tree with star and gift box having 5 layer is equal to 15, and one star value is equal to 2. Now solving our fourth equation. In the fourth equation, we have got 2 pair of balloons and 2 stars, whose sum is equal to 8. From the third equation, we have already found out the value of stars, which we'll put here and solve the equation. So 2 pair of 2 stars is equal to 4. On solving this equation, we'll get 2 balloons is equal to 8 minus 4 divided by 2. So pair of balloons value is equal to 2. And if 2 balloons is equal to 2, so one balloon will be 1. So this is end of our fourth equation. Now we have values of stars, balloons and Christmas tree. Now in the second equation, we were having star. So as we have this value, we can solve our second equation. So solving the second equation, that was 2 into gift box plus pair of star is equal to 20. Putting value of pair of star here and solving the equation, we will get gift box with 4 balloons is equal to 20 minus 4 by 2, that is equal to 8. So by the end of second equation, we have 4 values. One Christmas tree with star and gift box is equal to 15. One pair of star is equal to 4. One pair of balloon is equal to 2. And one gift box with 8 balloons is equal to 8. Now jumping on to our last equation. Okay, sorry. Before last equation, we have to find out value of only Christmas tree. Now if you are thinking why we are finding out value of Christmas tree, only Christmas tree, because in the last equation we have one Christmas tree which has 6 layers and it doesn't have star on its top. So better to find out value of Christmas tree, and then we can arrange the value of our first picture in the last equation. So I am finding out value of Christmas tree. So Christmas tree with gifts and star having 5 layers was having value 15. If we have to find out value of only Christmas tree, then we have to minus out the value of star and gift box from the Christmas tree. So that is 15 minus star, that is 2, because one star is having value 2, so I have written 2 here, and one gift box, that is minus 8. So 15 minus 8 minus 2 is equal to 5. So friends, if only Christmas tree which has 5 layers value is equal to 5, that means each layer value in the Christmas tree is equal to 1. So we have got every value. Now jumping on to our last equation and solving the puzzle. In the last equation, we have one Christmas tree which has got 6 layers without star and one gift box. But in the gift box also we have got only 3 balloons. Earlier in all the gift boxes they were having 4 balloons, but here it has only 3 balloons. So solving for this picture, we know each layer value is equal to 6. Each layer value of the Christmas tree is equal to 1. So 6 layers would be 6 plus 8 for the gift box, but the gift box whose value was 8 was having 4 balloons, but here we have got only 3 balloons, so we have to minus out value of 1 balloon, that is equal to 1. So 6 plus 8 minus 1 would be value for the first picture. Now putting value for the second picture. In the second picture we have star and 1 balloon. If 2 stars is equal to 4, so 1 star would be 2. I have written 2 here, plus value of 1 balloon, that is equal to 1 here, multiplied by 1 gift box. Gift box value is 8, but this gift box does not have 2 balloons. That means this has only 2 balloons. We have to minus 2 balloons from this gift box, that is equal to minus 2. Now we have written all the values. Now we have to solve this equation using BODMAS rule, and according to BODMAS we have to firstly solve the brackets, followed by order, then division, multiplication, addition, and in the end subtraction if there is any. So firstly I'll open all these brackets present here. So in the equation there are 3 brackets which I need to open. For opening the bracket I need to solve the operations present inside it. Like for this bracket, firstly I have to add 6 plus 8, that is equal to 14. 14 minus 1 is equal to 13. Similarly 2 plus 1 is equal to 3 and 8 minus 2 is equal to 6. Now we have to do multiplication, and then the value which will come we have to add it with this value. So 6 into 3 is equal to 18. 18 plus 13 is equal to 31. And we have solved this puzzle as well. Thank you friends. Thank you for being with us. If you liked the puzzle, give us a thumbs up. Please share it with your family and friends, and do subscribe to our channel for more interesting puzzles and riddles. Thank you friends. Bye.